HVAC program is, it's kind of at a college level at the high school class. Students will get their G3 certification, their gas license, and also sheet metal experience. It'll basically get them prepared to start an apprenticeship in sheet metal or HVAC, and it's probably the only program like that in Ontario.
In the SHSM program, there's a bunch of training that we have to do in order to get our certificates.
You take a certain amount of tech courses. It can be either manufacturing based or construction based, and then you go for the day to do specialized training. So I've done forklift, scissor lift, and genie boom training.
We try to make it as real world as possible. Our auto shop, they'll work on vehicles and trying to prepare them for the real world is our goal.